Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to leverage Pinterest to sell your digital products? In this tutorial, we will guide you throughout the process of creating and promoting your digital product on Pinterest to attract buyers. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, this video is all about selling products on Pinterest. Now, as you might notice that Pinterest is not really a place where you simply have products, you put your ad and you sell. Pinterest is simply a place full of pictures, full of images that are pretty attractive and pretty cool. Now, what you are looking at right here basically is a lot of images that people are going through every day, depending of course on the explore and the interests of these accounts, depending of course on the algorithm and what they have chosen at the beginning. Now, these pictures, for example, here we have these clothes. So here this is an outfit that people might be interested in buying. So what the owner of this picture could do is to add a description next to this picture full with links for each piece of this outfit. Now, this concept is being used all over the place on Pinterest, on cars, on physical products, and also on digital products. And this is what you're gonna do today. We are going to show you how you can sell your digital products. Your digital product can be a book, they can be templates, music, whatever. For example, here we have this to-do list which you could use, or all about me thing that's basically as a template, which you can literally use it by your own self. Now, people might be interested in this design and want it for themselves. So what we can do and offer to them is a link for them in the description that allows them to get it and buy it from us. Of course, this templates thing is not really a very high margin market. You're only gonna sell it for $1, maximum $3, but yeah, you got the idea. So let's get started by selling some kind of thing on Pinterest. First of all, what I will do is to go ahead and click on create. Here I'm gonna drop a picture of what I am selling. Now, let's say for example I'm selling a template. So here I have this digital product, which is basically a template that I have made. I'm gonna make it smaller like that. We can remove these, and what I'm gonna do is simply take a screenshot of it. So that's something that could be simple, but it's very important. So screen shots, let me just Excel screen shots, click on save, and there we go. So now what I'm gonna do is to upload it right here. So the file must be 200 300. Can I have this one? Yep, it is working. So this is basically a picture that has my Excel sheet in it. Now here I'm gonna give it a title, a simple way to track your class activity. Now this is the title, and here is the description. So description, guys, has to be something that explains it. I have already a ChatGPT description that was made for me. Let me just find it. I think this one. Yep, this one. I'm gonna just copy it and paste it right there. It shouldn't be longer than 800 words. Let me just remove these. Okay, let's keep it. Let's remove this. Remove that. Okay, alright. We need to remove more things. Remove this. Okay, we need to remove a lot of things here. So there we go. Here we go. And here we go. So now we have a description, and what we need to do next is to add a link. Now the link that has to be added, let me just fix that real quick. accept, 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 accept. Let's fix everything. Everything has to be corrected here because description is the thing that's gonna give the first eye on our work. If the description was good, then everything in our basically our work is gonna be perfect. So let's keep it for that part. And what I was doing, I don't know. So let's remove all of this. All right, so now what to do next is to add a link. This link is gonna be your shop link. We are going to be selling this somewhere else. We're not going to be selling it on Pinterest, but Pinterest is gonna be somewhere to have promotion of our digital products and to actually make people notice us in the market. So here we can go to Etsy. So Etsy, where you can sell digital product. There is also Amazon. You can sell digital product on Amazon, and there is Shopify. So these are the main websites that I usually use for selling my digital products. So you could go and copy link of your product. So here I have already a product in Shopify. Let me just go ahead and preview it in the store. Okay, we have this link, so we can copy it, go right here and add a link. And as you can see, we can add a board. In case we had any board, we can add tag topics or anything like that. And basically we're gonna be adding here as much content as we can, as much hashtags, as much keyword as we can, so we can literally attract more people. So if we did that correctly, everything is gonna be made successfully, nothing gonna be going wrong, and we are going to start selling products on Pinterest. So now what to do next is simply click on publish. And usually to make your chances of selling this product higher, I would recommend you to go for Pinterest ads and go ahead and pay a couple of dollars per day, like $5 per day for a week, and notice the results. Just notice the results. You will have at least 20 order in your pockets. If not, at least you'll have a couple of clients contacting you or something like that. So like having ads running with your product is gonna boost your loss. Simply something like that already has 22 comments, so you can find already that people are interested in stuff like that. So here, for example, this thing has 107 comments already. So there is a lot of template that people are interested in, and this is not only digital products. You have books, there is music, there's a lot of things that you can sell, guys. So just trust in the process, do what you have to do, just start creating and publishing designs and pictures of your products, whatever it is in the digital world, and add the link with it, and you will start making money. So thank you guys a lot, and see you guys in the next tutorial.